Hello, welcome to Basic Scratch Series Part 2, Sprites and Backdrops. Like I mentioned in Part 1, when you create a script, the script will act upon objects. It will make the object do things like move, make sound, change their look. The objects in Scratch are sprite and backdrops. A sprite is an image object like the cat, but you have several other ones. A sprite consists of one or multiple costumes. For example, if I select the cat sprite here at the sprite section and I click on the costumes tab, you see that the cat has two costumes, one, two. You can create your own sprite. You can draw it, paint new sprite. You can choose a sprite from the Scratch library. You can upload a file from your computer and convert this in a sprite. You can take a picture with a camera and import this picture as a sprite. These are the four different ways you can create a sprite. For example, we will upload a sprite from the Scratch library. You click on this icon. As soon as you put the arrow on the icon, you see it says choose sprite from library. So the Scratch library opens and you see several sprites. They are indexed in different categories. Like you have Anna. When you select Anna, when you select the sprite, you notice that costume says 2. That means this sprite consists of 2 costumes. If I select the ballerina sprite, you see costume says 4. So this means it consists of 4 costumes. Let's select the ballerina sprite. Select it, click OK. Now we have 2 sprites in our stage area. We have the cat sprite, which is called sprite 1, and we have the ballerina. If you select the ballerina and you click on the costumes tab, you see that it has 4 costumes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Later on in the following sections, you will see how you can make a script to make the sprite change its costumes, and this will usually give the illusion of movement. Like I said before, the stage consists of backdrops. Backdrops are backgrounds. So for example, if I select the stage section, left to the sprite section, the tab that previously said costumes, because the sprite was selected, now that the stage is selected, says backdrop. We see that this stage consists of one single backdrop, which is this white space. Like the sprites, you can also choose a backdrop from the Scratch library. You can create your own backdrop by painting it. You can upload the file from your computer and convert it in a backdrop. And you can take a picture with your camera and also make this a backdrop. Let's choose a backdrop from the Scratch library. Just click on the icon. Again, just like the sprites, you have different backdrops indexed in different categories. Choose backdrop that you want. I'll choose bedroom 1. Now you see in the backdrop tab that we have 2 backdrops, and I can go back and forth between the backdrop. If I select the white space, you see the stage area, the background of the stage area turns back to the white space. If I select the bedroom, the background changes to the bedroom. This was a short explanation about sprites and backdrops. Remember that the scripts that you create, they will act upon the sprite and or the backdrop. They will make the sprite and or the backdrop do things. Things like move or change color. Thank you for your attention. I hope this was informative. So long.